Guys, welcome to my channel. I'm architect Pooja Kothari, and today I'm going to tell you about different professionals that are there in the industry, what they really do, whom you should hire, and when should you hire them. In this video, we will go over some of the professionals and non-professionals you may consider hiring to design, execute, and implement the interiors of your project. First, let's talk about designers. An interior designer or an interior architect is a professional who specializes in creating functional, aesthetically pleasing interiors. Now, they can help you choose colors, materials, furniture, and other design elements to create a cohesive look for your space. They typically have a background in design and have completed a formal education program in interior design before they have started their practice. Next, you may consider hiring a carpenter. A carpenter is a skilled tradesperson who specializes in creating and installing custom furniture or pieces like cabinets, shelves, wardrobes, woodwork. They can help you create unique personalized pieces for your home as long as you know what you exactly want to do and can explain it to them. Finally, you may want to consider hiring an interior design execution company, something more like a project management company. They are companies who manage and oversee the entire project. They can help you coordinate with various aspects of your project, including hiring, supervising, subcontracting, and ensuring everything is completed on time and within the given budget. So I have categorized this chart into what services can be offered to a homeowner who is trying to do their interiors by comparing between carpenters, interior execution companies, and designers. Now let's look at the chart where I talk about the service-oriented features that will be offered, which is the first one being on-time delivery. Will a carpenter offer you an on-time delivery? No. Architects or interior execution companies have a hold on carpenter because they keep giving them regular work. They know what has to happen when, and they are able to task the carpenters onto it. But you as a homeowner, if you are very strong and strict, maybe you will get it done on time. If not, they will have their own excuses and reasons to run away from the site every day. So no, I'm not going to promise that a carpenter will give you an on-time delivery. There have been a number of companies that have sprouted up in the market. There are good ones, there are bad ones. So I have given a cross and a tick to it. There have been some companies who have been able to deliver the project in time. But there have also been companies who have given a timeline of 3 months and stretched the projects to almost 1.5 years. And that is because of the lack of expertise. They may be new companies, or they may not be able to do customization, because of which their projects generally get delayed. Now let's also look at the designer. Will a designer be able to give you on-time delivery? Again, I have put in yes and no. A designer has a hold on all the service people that will be working on a site. For example, carpenter, electrician, false ceiling guys. An interior designer will try to supervise and schedule all the activities as much as possible. They will also scrutinize the labor on site, and maybe they will be able to give you the project on time if all goes well. A carpenter will be able to do project management only for his scope of area, which is the woodwork area. He can manage what material has to come when for what sort of work. He can manage the execution part. He has the technical knowledge of what has to be done when. Interior execution companies, yes, they also have hired professional project managers to manage different projects that they take, because they have a number of volume of projects that come to them day in, day out. A designer also will do project management if that is mentioned in their scope of work, because if a designer is only giving you a design service, then they may not be able to do project management for you. Initial on-site consultation. Yes, if you tell a carpenter, I want to design a 3 BHK house, he will come running for the first visit, I'm sure. Not sure about the following visit. Companies will not give you an initial on-site visit because they have a specific process in which they work. They first call you to their experience center. They will have you experience the finishes or the products, and after that they will give you a rough quotation based on their understanding of what you require. They may take an advance of 25, 30 to 50,000, and only after that is when they give you their first site visit. Yes, designers will give you an initial on-site consultation. They will come to the site trying to understand your requirements. Some designers give this as a free site visit and some designers charge for it. Post-execution service. Now, will a carpenter give you a post-execution service? No, he is not liable to you because you're not going to give him a second project. So as long as an architect is not catching hold of his neck who is giving him regular projects, there's no way you can catch hold of him for post-execution service. Will interior execution companies give you post-execution service? Yes, interior execution companies do give a post-execution service. They have a certain period, which is say about 6 months to 2 years of post-execution services for any alignment issues. Will a designer give you a post-execution service? No. A designer will not be able to give you a post-execution service simply because they are not a turnkey company. They have just designed the project for you. Is it convenient to hire a carpenter? No, because you have to have the patience to be able to explain him things, to be able to get material, to be able to check for quality, to be able to check if he is going to, scam you of any amount because of the material or labor. Is hiring a project interior execution company convenient? It is convenient because they have everybody under a single branch. But I have seen interior execution companies where clients have had to follow up with each of their vendors individually. Will a designer be able to give you convenience? Yes, a designer will be able to give you convenience. They are one point contact. And unlike interior execution companies, you may have to call a toll-free number or a call center number, but a designer is just a click away, a call away. So that is the convenience aspect that you get. And of course, on site, you have issues day in, day out when the work progresses. So you need someone to call to address these issues. Stress or hassle-free experience. A carpenter may not be able to give you that, of course, because of the convenience aspect that I just explained. You may have to stress about him doing something wrong or rework or wastage of material or overcharging for something. Is interior execution company stress-free or hassle-free experience? May and may not be because of the other reasons that I mentioned. They have too many branches below them, which ultimately a client itself has to manage and talk to them individually, because of which it is not stress-free or hassle-free. It's in fact more stressful. So when it comes to designers, do you have a stress and hassle-free experience? Yes, because they are going to educate you about everything and they are more knowledgeable in terms of what has to be done when. When you're interacting with designers, you're directly interacting with an architect or an interior designer who is educated, who knows about the industry standards and about the industry. Now let's look at the monetary features and compare the carpenter, interior execution company and designers on those aspects. The first thing is financing. Will a carpenter give you financing? A clear no. He cannot give you financing. Will an interior execution company give you financing? Yes. Most likely, interior companies are tied up with different banks and they can help you with financing for your interiors. Will a designer give you financing? No, they will not be able to give you any help with financing. Of course, they can just help you with some estimates, quotations and drawings so that you can take financing from banks directly. The next feature that we are talking about is cost effectiveness. Is the project going to be cost effective if given to a carpenter? Yes and no. Yes, because if you have clearly told them what you really want, a good carpenter will be able to execute it as is, even with just the pictures that will be shared to him, because they have the technical know-how for and skill set to do that particular product. And no, because if what you have said is not being communicated to him rightly, he may make mistakes, or if he is not a skilled person, he may end up making mistakes and your material will go to waste. So there is where you lose the money. Are interior execution companies cost effective? Yes, interior execution companies are very cost effective because they have fixed modules. They do not encourage customizations. So in fixed modules, what happens is you just have a number of options that you will select from, a number of materials that you will select from, and that will be quoted for. So as long as you're not going for customizations, yes, interior execution companies will also be very cost effective. Is a designer going to be cost effective? Yes and no. A designer may be cost effective if you have given the right budgets and requirements, and they will take that into account and make the designs. Coming to warranty, will a carpenter offer warranty? No, he will not be able to offer any warranty. Will interior execution companies offer warranty? Yes, they will offer warranty. They give you 10 years warranty on the material. Will a designer be able to give you warranty? No, they cannot give you warranty because they are a design company and not a turnkey or an execution company. Will a carpenter maintain the product quality? Most likely a carpenter knows what material is good and he can give you a good quality product And interior execution companies, yes, the product quality can be guaranteed because they have specifications that will be followed, and based on that itself your product is going to be outputted. With designers also, your product quality can be ensured because designers have a vast knowledge of different innovative materials that come into the market. Coming to durability, is a carpenter done job durable? Yes, it is very durable because they are the ones ultimately who are going to execute, irrespective of whether you go to an interior execution company or a designer. Interior execution company, will the products be durable? Yes and no, because if they have made any compromises in the quality of product that they have given you, for example, instead of a ply, if they have given you a particle board, then definitely your furniture is not going to last. So there is no durability aspect there. You will have to be very specific of what you want and very careful so that you're not cheated. And with the designer, of course, there is durability because they do not have to do anything with the material that you will purchase or use. They are there to guide you rightly of what is available, what costs how much, and if it fits your budget. The end decision is always yours. Finally, the cost saving aspect, is a carpenter going to help you save a lot of cost? Yes, because there is no middleman involved, there is no interior execution company, their margins involved. So a carpenter, a direct carpenter, is always going to be a cost saving method for you. Is interior execution companies cost saving? Generally, if it is a standardized product that you are getting done, like wardrobes or kitchens with the standard layouts that they have, then it may work out fairly cheaper. It may save you a lot of cost. But in case you have some customizations, they will not be able to help you save cost. They may end up overcharging you for those customizations. Will a designer help you save cost? Yes, a designer will help you save cost in their designs itself. Because of their design interventions itself, you may be able to save a lot of money. Next, let us look at design features. Range of options in terms of designs. Carpenters does not have any design knowledge. He will just be able to guide you based on his past experiences or what he has seen around. Interior execution companies, yes, they have a range of options, but it's limited to the modules that they have, and there is no customization aspect to it. Designers will be able to give you a vast range of options as long as you are clear with the terms or the number of options that have to be given. Coming to the customization aspect, will a carpenter be able to customize for you? Yes, definitely a carpenter can customize for you. Interior execution companies, no, they cannot do customization. Most interior companies work on the principle of standard modules. Any customizations either ends up costing you a lot more or it is not done right. Designer, yes, they will be able to give you customization. In fact, their entire designing works on customization itself, because they are going to understand your requirements, talk to you, understand your profession, your character, your personality, and only then give you a specific design. So it is very customized and personalized. Ease of communication. Will you be able to communicate with a carpenter easily? I'm not sure if that is possible because sometimes explaining certain concepts or certain designs will be very difficult. Coming to interior execution companies, ease of communication is easy, but you have too many people in the pipeline. Ease of communication with a designer. Design firms are generally small, they're not very big, so you will get a first with the designers or the teams dealing with your projects. So ease of communication is a lot easier. For them to understand your problem is not going to be very challenging. Expertise in design. Carpenters do not have any expertise in design. Like I said, they only rely on what they have seen or done previously. Interior execution companies also do not have any expertise in design. A designer will definitely have the expertise in design. In any design firm, you will be interacting with designers directly and never with the other employees for your projects. Coming to innovation, will a carpenter be able to innovate? Yes, a carpenter may or may not be able to innovate because he's the end person doing the job. Interior execution company may not be able to innovate because they are only limited to what is available in the market as standards required. Designers, yes, designers work on high innovation processes. Day in, day out, they look at how differently they can do something for their clients. And attention to detail, carpenters do not give attention to detail. They will be able to do a good detailing or finishing only if guided. In interior execution companies have absolutely no focus on detailing. Designers have a very high focus on detailing, and this is an advantage in a way where, you know, the details that are done in your project may not be seen in any other project, but also it can become a disadvantage because these details may end up costing a lot more to do sometimes. So which of these professionals do you think is the best fit for your interior project? It really depends on your specific needs and goals. If you're looking for help with design and styling, an interior designer or an architect may be the best choice. If you're looking to create a custom piece of furniture for your home, then maybe a carpenter is the best option. And if you need help coordinating with various aspects of construction or execution of your project, then an interior design company may be a suitable option. Ultimately, the best professional to hire for your interior project will depend on your specific requirement and goals. It may be helpful for you to do some research and talk to multiple professionals before you commit the project to somebody. So guys, this is everything about whom to hire, why to hire, and when to hire. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has given you clarity and you will be able to take an informed decision. If you have any doubts related to the content, please post them in the comment section. I will be able to help you. If you've liked our video, please do share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.